Beginner-Level Data Analyst Quiz based on data collection, data cleaning and pre-processing, and Exploratory Data Analysis, EDA. Let's go. 1. Which of the following is an example of primary data collection? A. Web scraping, B. Survey responses, C. Database queries, and D. API integration. The answer is survey responses. 2. Which type of data source includes databases like MySQL and PostgreSQL? A. Structured data, B. Unstructured data, C. Semi-structured data, and D. Open data. The answer is structured data. 3. What is the main purpose of an API in data collection? A. To store data, B. To automate data retrieval from online sources, C. To clean messy data, and D. To visualize data. The answer is to automate data retrieval from online sources. 4. Which of the following is an example of qualitative data? A. Age of customers, B. Sales revenue figures, C. Customer feedback comments, and D. Number of employees in a company. The answer is customer feedback comments. 5. What is the primary challenge in web scraping? A. Too much structured data, B. Too little data availability, C. Lack of automation tools, and D. Websites blocking access or changing structure frequently. The answer is websites blocking access or changing structure frequently. 6. Which of the following tools is commonly used for data collection via APIs? A. Excel, B. SQL, C. Python's request library, and D. PowerPoint. The answer is Python's request library. 7. What is a key reason for using cloud storage services like Google BigQuery or AWS S3 in data collection? A. To permanently delete data, B. To store and access large datasets efficiently, C. To visualize data, and D. To manually enter data. The answer is to store and access large datasets efficiently. 8. Which of the following is not a common data cleaning task? A. Randomly changing data values, B. Handling missing values, C. Removing duplicates, and D. Standardizing formats. The answer is randomly changing data values. 9. Which function is used in Python's pandas library to check for missing values? A. Fillner, B. Dropner, C. isNull, and D. GroupBy. The answer is null. 10. Which method is commonly used to handle missing numerical data? A. Replacing with the mean or median value, B. Filling with random numbers, C. Deleting all missing rows, and D. Leaving it as is. The answer is replacing with the mean or median value. Congratulations on completing a set of 10 questions. Let's move ahead. 11th. Which of the following best describes data normalization? A. Converting categorical data into numerical values. B. Scaling numerical values to a similar range. C. Removing all null values. And D. Merging multiple datasets. The answer is scaling numerical values to a similar range. 12. What is the primary purpose of data standardization? A. To ensure all numerical features have a mean of 0 and a standard deviation of 1. B. To delete unnecessary columns. C. To sort data in ascending order. And D. To visualize trends. The answer is to ensure all numerical features have a mean of 0 and a standard deviation of 1. 13. Which technique is used to detect outliers in numerical data? A. Histogram, B. Box plot, C. Bar chart, and D. Pie chart. The answer is box plot. 14. Which function in Excel is used to remove duplicate entries from a dataset? A. VLOOKUP, B. Filter, C. Remove duplicates, and D. COUNTIF. The answer is remove duplicates. 15. What is the first step in exploratory data analysis, EDA? A. Applying machine learning models. B. Summarizing and visualizing data. C. Deleting all missing values. And D. Building a dashboard. The answer is summarizing and visualizing data. 16. Which statistical measure helps understand the central tendency of data? A. Mean, median, mode. B. Standard deviation. C. Variance. And D. Correlation coefficient. The answer is mean, median, mode. 17. Which visualization is best for showing the distribution of a single numerical variable? A. Bar chart, B. Pie chart, C. Histogram, and D. Line chart. The answer is histogram. 18. What does a high standard deviation in a dataset indicate? A. Data points are close to the mean. B. Data points are widely spread out. C. There are no outliers. And D. The dataset has only categorical values. The answer is data points are widely spread out. 19. What does correlation between two variables measure? A. The total number of missing values. B. The strength and direction of their relationship. C. The standard deviation of each variable. And D. The number of observations in a dataset. The answer is the strength and direction of their relationship. 20. Which of the following tools is widely used for EDA in Python? A. Seaborn, B. Power, BI, C. SQL, and D. Tableau. The answer is Seaborn. How many did you get right? Comment below and subscribe for more.